Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to solve differentiation. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment to this video. Thank you. So first we need to know what is differentiation. Differentiation is a method used to compute the range of change of a function x with respect to its input x. Don't worry, as we are going to solve more questions, we're going to understand how this meaning is being used. So before we can solve for differentiation, we need to know some properties of limits. So we have the first property here, which states that the limit of a constant is equal to the constant itself. The second property is which says that the limit of a sum of finite number of functions is equal to the number of sum of their respective limits. The third one here, which says that the limit of the differentiation of two functions is equal to the differentiation of their limit. And the fourth one, which says that the limit of the product of finite number of function is equal to the product of their respective limit. So as we are going to solve some questions, we are going to be seeing how we are going to use these properties to solve. And then the last one, which says that the limit of the quotient of two functions is equal to the quotient of their limit, provided that the limit of the divisor is not equal to 0. Then we have that the last one, which says that limit of the product of a constant and a function is equal to the product of the constant and the limit of the function. So these are the properties of a limit. We are going to use them to solve some questions. So given these properties, we are going to use it to solve this equation. So firstly, what we need to do is that we are going to look at this equation and notice that it requires limits. Now we start solving. We have the limit of x squared. Remember they said that limit of a function is equal to the limit of a function itself. So we're going to have differently, we're going to come differently. Then the second one minus, for this minus sign here, the limit of a function and a constant is equals to the limit of a function and a constant itself. So we're going to represent this like this two limits s is approaching. This sign means that x approaches 0. This sign means that x approaches 0. Then we now have plus 5. So we will do the same way. We have 5x here. We have that plus 5 limit of x approaching 0. We have plus 5 limit x approaching 0. We now have s squared, then minus 4 limit x approaches 0 s cubed. So now limit of a constant equals to constant itself, and it said x is approaching 0. So plus 0, x approaching 0 plus 0, x is approaching 0. Okay, minus 0, yes, minus 0, minus 0. So we have that. This is equals to 7. If you calculate it, is equals to 7, because anything adding or subtracting from 0 is equal to the number itself. So we are done with this problem. So please share, like and subscribe, and watch out for part 2 of the video. Don't forget to share. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.